This is a demonstration of a sintering furnace unpacking. Pry open the butterfly lock and remove the top panel of the wooden case. Pry off the butterfly lock that attaches the base. Remove the wooden case center frame. Take out the foam from the top end of the sintering furnace. Take out the sintering furnace. Start by removing the 4 screws from the top cover. To ensure safe transportation of the equipment, we have inserted foam for protection. Remove lid. Remove the filling foam. Reinstall the lid. Next up, power up. The switch is on the lower right side. Turn it to on, power on. Lower the elevator and remove the foam. The unpacking process is done.